Hello everyone. So this is new question for you which has simple interest and compound interest both concept used. So let's see the question. The question is at a certain simple rate of interest given some amount to so and so in 3 years and this much in 6 years 6 months. So if you convert that into years this is basically 6.5 years, right? 6 months means half a year, correct? If the same given sum had been invested for 2 years with the same rate as before, but now this time for compound interest, and that is compounded every 6 months. That means compounded half yearly. Then the total interest earned in the rupees in this case will be what? Nearest to, approximate. Okay. So let's solve this. Now here, first of all, we need to find out what was the principal and what was the rate of interest by the first simple interest condition. So let's do it. So here I can say 13,920 in 3 years. So if I consider in case of simple interest, interest for 1 year is I and the principal is P. So this 13920 can be written as what? P plus 3I, right? You know, in case of simple interest, interest remains same for each year, correct? And this is 18960. This will be P plus now for 1 year, if interest is I, then for 6.5 year, it will be 6.5I. This equation is possible in case of simple interest. ये compound interest में नहीं हो सकता because in compound interest, interest keep changing, right? Okay. So if you simplify this, let's subtract equation number 1 and equation number 2. So let's do bigger minus smaller. In that case, you get the difference as 0,405. So 5040. And here at the right hand side you will get what? 3.5 I. As per that, if you calculate the value of I, the value of I should be 1440 in this case. Okay. If I is 1440, then what should be principal? If I use equation number 1, let's say equation number 1, in that case, you will find this to be 13920 equal to principal we need to find out. This is 3 into 1440. I hope you understood equation number 1, right? Most importantly, you need to understand in case of simple interest, this equation can be formed because every year interest is same in case of simple interest. Okay. Now, if you calculate the value of P here, this is 13920 minus 3 into 1140. If you simplify that, you should get principal as 9600. I hope you will be able to do the calculation. Now, after this, can we also find out the rate of interest? Yes, we can say interest for 1 year. This I we assumed as what? Interest per year. Interest per year. Okay. That means this is interest for 1 year. अब ये interest 1440 is what percent of 9600? If you simplify this, you will get what? Rate of interest. Okay. Common sense वाली बात है और common sense ज़्यादा formula भी ये बोलता है. If you apply the formula, simple interest equal to principal into rate of interest into time by 100. Time is 1 here. Rate of interest we need to find out. Principal we have, interest we have. Then if you only have to calculate the rate R, you can simplify this. आप इसको यहाँ से cancel कर दो और simplify करो. So you will get R as 15%. Okay. Yeah, बहुत difficult calculation नहीं. You can cancel by 12. So 12 12s are and then 12 8s are 96. Easily हो जाएगा. So R is 15. Now, question said with same rate of interest on the same principle. If on the same principle, we need to find out the compound interest, compounded half yearly, and that's for 2 years. This is what we need to find out. 2 years. Color change करूँ क्या? यहाँ पे देखो 2 years दिया हुआ है 6 month के. ये हमें find out करना है. Now, in case of compound interest, we can directly find amount. Okay, amount is equal to what? Principal into 1 plus rate of interest by 100 raised to n. This is the formula. N is the time period, correct? Now, if it is for half yearly, then rate of interest become half and the time period become what? Double than what is the time given to us. So, here the amount in this case will be principal which is 9600 plus यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा ये 1 R कितना हो जाएगा अपना 15 का half हो जाएगा कितना 7.5 but अभी फिलहाल करते नहीं आपको. Let's keep it like this and then 2n, so it's for 2 years. Okay, so it become 2 into 2 will become what? 4. I hope, see, you have reached to a level where you don't need me to tell you in detail. And if you, why are we doing half year में rate half and time period double? But if you are at that stage, then please complete the concept lectures properly. Concept lectures, I have a course available here. You can see there concept lectures and simple interest, compound interest. करो इसको, पढ़ो इसको, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं लगेगी, समय लगेगा, dedication लगेगा. Okay. Now, if we simplify this further, then we can find out the amount. So amount here it will be equal to 9600. Here यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा वो 15 और यहाँ का simplify कर सकते हो 5 3s are and then 5 2s are. So this become 3 by 40 and if you simplify plus 1 by 1 then simplify तो क्या हो जाएगा 43 by 40. Okay, raised to what? 4. Now simplify further 9600 into 43 into 43 into 43 into 43 by 40 by 40 by 40 by 40. Okay. Simplify as much as possible. 0 0 cancel हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. Now 16. If you 4s are 16 and here 16 6 are 96. Okay, you can further cancel here. यहाँ पे किसको आप बोल सकते हो 20. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा कितना वो 3. So 43 into 43 into 43 into 3 divide by 20 into 40. ये आपका amount यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. So if you simplify this, you should get here as 12820.5. If you multiply 43 into 43, 43 into 3 से multiply करो, divide करो 800 से आपका ये value आना चाहिए. Now we can stop it here. This is not a question. Question is find the interest value. So compound interest here it will be amount minus principal. Amount कितना है हमारा 12820.5 minus principal we got as 9600. बोलो difference कितना आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. So difference will be here it will be 3220 ऐसा कुछ तो आएगा. Point ऐसा कुछ 0.5 ऐसा. So you can approximately to match with the option you have the closest one which is 3221. So this is the nearest one. As question said, find the nearest one. So option number A should be answer. Right? I hope you understood this. Let's have the next question.